Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an ad on Craigslist with pictures. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. This will then take you into the official Craigslist website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account option at the top right corner and then using your credentials to log in. After logging in, simply click on the post option from the home page in order to create a new post. Now in order to create your ad, simply click on which kind of ad it is. After selecting your ad type, you can choose the further category of your ad and then enter your details. Enter your posting title and the city or neighborhood where you want to post it. Then enter your postal code and then enter the description for your advertisement. After entering your description, simply select the posting details and then enter your privacy option. Then choose whether you want to show your phone number and whether phone calls are preferred. Also choose whether you prefer to receive text or SMS, and then you can enter your phone number followed by your extension and your contact name. Then you can click on the continue button and you can proceed with providing pictures based on your kind of ad. After making all of your posts, you can simply proceed with uploading your pictures and finalizing your post. And then your advertisement will be posted on Craigslist within your selected area. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to post an advertisement on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.